All right, it's Friday. That means it's time for Weekends at the Science Center. Here I am with more. Hey, happy bow tie Friday. Mark, you're looking sharp, of course. I'm here with Nate, not wearing a bow tie, but you tell me you have a really cool periodic table one.
I do. It has actually every single element on it.
That's pretty. I may have to get a tie like that.
Yeah, I think you should.
All right, and that's very unique. Speaking of unique, you're a 31.
Yes.
I'm an 11. What exactly does this mean?
So what we're doing today is, or in this weekend, is Unique You. It's one of our genomics programs we do here at the Science Center.
All right.
And we're looking at a bunch of different genetic traits that everyone has. Things like, are your earlobes attached versus detached, right? Can you roll your tongue? Things like that. Right. And we're comparing them between members and groups of families. And eventually you come out with, depending on if you have detached earlobes or widow's peak or something like that, you end up with a unique number at the end.
All right.
And then we'll see how many other people who have come and done this program with us have that number. And then do the same people in your family, even though you all may look alike, you might have different numbers because these other traits are different. Because we all have different DNA.
So you compare against your family, but you can also come over to this board and you mark down, I'm an 11. So we would add a tally to 11 and see how I am compared to the others.
Right, and then as the weekend goes on, this board will fill up more and more and more, and we'll get a bigger representation of the public that comes here.
All right, and it's, of course, included with general admission. Come hang out and do this whole project.
Of course, yeah.
Good deal. All right, Nate, thank you very much. And of course, we hope you make the Science Center a destination of yours this weekend.